I recently went berry picking and I had these leftover blueberries. I had no idea what to do with them, but a friend suggested making blueberry cornbread. And I said, why not? Start by spraying a glass dish. I'm going to be using an 8x8 one. You also need 2 bowls. This recipe requires 10 ingredients. They are 1 cup of flour, 2 a cup of cornmeal, 3 1/2 cup sugar, 4 3 teaspoons baking powder, 5 a shake of salt, and mix it all together. In a larger bowl, you'll need 6 2 eggs, 7 2/3 cup of milk, 8 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 9 a splash of vanilla, and beat it together. Add the dry ingredients to the wet and mixed until just combined. And that just leaves 10 blueberries, which I'm gonna fold inside. Pour in that batter. I've put some flour on a few blueberries that I'm gonna put on top to keep them from sinking to the bottom. Now you bake in a 400-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Blueberry cornbread. It looks divine. I'm ready to taste it. Love those bursts of blueberry. It's great. If you have any blueberries lying around, then make some blueberry cornbread. It's amazing! How do blueberries talk on the phone if they don't have any hands? Bluetooth.